Okay. Now, what we're going to talk about is a very basic skill in IT that just about everybody does in Windows, and to some degree, or a good amount, also on a Mac. But you don't really tend to do this in Linux that often, except if you're using a GUI. So, uh, creating a file and using it through the terminal. So just like with Notepad in Windows, you can open that up either in the terminal or in the GUI and then just start writing and saving. It's a little trickier, and it's not really tricky, it's just that you need to build up your typing muscle memory for this sort of thing. Now, here in this terminal, we're going to use Vim since it's pretty much the standard text editor. It's not the best. A lot of people like Nano and a couple of other types, but we're going to go with this. So VI and then the name of the file. If you don't, if you put down a name and this file hasn't been created yet, when you do this, it will create the file, including the file extension. So if you want a text file, a shell script, or something else, if you write it and then you put that extension, you'll create that file. Or you'll be able to bring it up in Vim to view it and to also edit it if it already exists. In this case, we're going to go with something I've already created in an earlier video. So it's script notes, and I'll probably be adding whatever scripts I am into this just so that way I have a specific text file to work with going forward. I can't promise for how long that's going to be, but here we go. Now, scriptnotes.txt. If I open it up, this is what I wrote for the previous. Now, if I want to do an insert, I believe it is like a colon I for insert, and then I can just do something like this and start typing away. Hold on. Let's see. I think I already had it from before. Can I type anything in here? Yes, I can. So, we're just going to go back to it. Let's see. VI. You know what? Attention. I think I started something. Press enter to continue. There we are. So, let's scroll down there. We'll do a division. And we'll make some changes. That's not what I wanted. Alright. Okay, now I can. So now I want to insert. There. A lot of fun messing around with the text editor inside the terminal. Now, if I wanted to just save here, I would just hit exit. Then I would just do colon WQ. W for write, Q for quit. So if I did it like this and then brought it back up, you'll see we have that line here. If I just want to get out, escape, colon, Q, I'm out. Trailing characters, why? Alright, hold on. Q. There, I'm back out. Nothing fantastic. If I wanted to create a new one, but first let's find out where we're at. You see, script notes is not in any specific directory. If I wanted to go into a different directory, let's say documents, or create another document, I could. It'd be change my directory and then go to documents. Correct spelling is a requirement. Okay, I'm in. If I want to see what's in that directory, I've got nothing in here. So If I wanted to say, all right, let's say VI test script, which there's not really going to be a script in there at the moment, but you never know. And then put like a .sh for shell script. Put that in here. All right. Now let's say I want to put something else in here. We can always just do something like, I don't know. I'm not even going to put any commands in here right now. I just want to put in let's some garbage and then escape. Remember? Colon WQ. I'm out. Now, if I do an ls, test script is there. If I wanted to see what's in there, there's the garbage. Nothing serious, nothing crazy. This is just to cover the basics. Like I said, some of these things are just basically to teach my own kids the basics of just getting in and out and doing stuff in the terminal. But if it's useful to you or it's useful for getting your bearings and you're just a learner, by all means, enjoy.